So the world's first trifold phone is now in South Africa.
We are within.
The Huawei Mate XT goes from a 6.4-inch pocket-sized phone to a 7.9-inch double-screen foldable, then bam, a 10.2-inch tablet. It uses 3K Huawei X True display technology that allows for multi-view in one experience, supporting seamless transitions between single, dual, and triple screen modes. Folded, the Mate XT looks almost identical to the new Mate X6 and is only slightly thicker than a normal smartphone. And then unfolded, it becomes the thinnest foldable in the world at 3.6 millimeters. You know what else is 3.6 millimeters? 2 credit cards stacked together. It's that thin. It's powered by the Kirin 9010 chipset, paired with 16 gigs of RAM and storage that goes up to 1 terabyte. So we are expecting good performance there. So usually foldables end up compromising when it comes to the camera, but not in the case of the Huawei Mate XT. The Huawei X Mate camera system is a flagship grade, featuring a triple rear setup that includes a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens that has 5.5x optical zoom, and an additional 8 megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. And despite it being the thinnest foldable out there, it has a big 5600 mAh battery that's essential for the power-hungry 10.2-inch display. Okay, so now let's get real. The Huawei Mate XT costs 69,999 Rand. That's the same price as a used 2011 Ford Figo. But then again, you can't really fold a Ford Figo 3 times and put it in your pocket, right? But if that's too much at once, it does call a decent 2,999 Rand per month over the course of 36 months. Anyway, I'm just glad that phones are fun and innovative again, and that we're getting these innovative fun phones in South Africa. But would you put down 70k on a smartphone / foldable / tablet? Let me know in the comment section below and follow for more tech videos.